Hello again. We're on page 469 and we're looking at SOHCAHTOA. So question 3 plus. So there are some pre-instructions just above question 3 on that page, A, B and C. And question 3 itself, the hypotenuse is 20, excuse me, the opposite is 12 and the adjacent is 16. Now most times you think of the adjacent as running alongside the ground if you're talking about a question about a house or something. In this case, the opposite, it's the angle X is crucial. So the opposite to X is 12. So by process of elimination, the adjacent then is 16, okay? So that's a little bit unusual. So there is your SOHCAHTOA ratios, opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent, and then the tan, opposite over adjacent. Okay, so 12 over 20, 16 over 20, 12 over 16. In question 4, the angle is Y. So the opposite to that angle is 12, so the adjacent must be 5. Hypotenuse is 13. And there is your ratios there, like so. And then for question 5, 8 over 17, 15 over 17, and then 8 over 15. Okay. And then we have question 12, 40 over 58, so opposite over hypotenuse, 42 over 58 for adjacent over hypotenuse, and then 40 over 42 for the tan. And that is question 3, 4, 5 and 12 on page 469. You could practice with the rest of them. Then for page 470, question 13H. So the square root of 26 is the hypotenuse. So you put that in a bracket and you square it. It's equal to 5 squared plus g squared. Root 26 by root 26 simply gives me 26. So that, a lot of people got caught with that one. So 25 plus g squared. So subtract 25 from both sides to isolate g. 25. So we get 1 is equal to g squared. So the square root of both sides is 1 is equal to g. Okay, so that should be fairly okay for people. The difficulty there was root 26. And then sometimes the idea of having 1 and 1 squared can throw people as well. But it's simply 1. Okay, so in this particular question, the hypotenuse was root 26. We had an adjacent of 5. And we established then that the opposite was 1. Sine, cos, tan. There's your ratios again. Okay, let's substitute in the values. What do we get? We get 1 over 26, or sorry, 1 over root 26, should I say. 5 over root 26 and 1 over 5. Okay, 13j.